Welcome to another Simple Dad ChatGPT tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to contact ChatGPT or OpenAI for support. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you need help with OpenAI, there are two ways to get in touch with OpenAI. So the very first way is this website here, help.openai.com. If you visit this website, you'll be able to search through the help articles to help yourself in ChatGPT. If you don't find any information on this, you can tap on this bubble here at the bottom right. Now you can tap on search for help, tap on any topic, and once the topic loads up, if you want to scroll down until you see this section here, did this answer your question? If you select the no emoji or the emoji with the sad face, this will give you a chance to send a message to ChatGPT. So go ahead and tap on that. You'll now be able to log in and then send a message to ChatGPT. Someone from ChatGPT will reply within a day and will answer your question. Now, the second way of getting in touch with ChatGPT or OpenAI is by going into Google and searching for OpenAI contact details. Scroll down until you see this, how can I contact support? Tap on it. This article tells you if you already have an account, you can simply log in and use the help button to start a conversation. If you don't have an account, you can still reach them by selecting the chat bubble icon here at the bottom right, and that will send a message to OpenAI. There are emails which you can contact OpenAI on. Here on screen, I'll put them up. So the first one is contact@openai.com, and the second one is support@openai.com. So there you go. Those are the two ways you can get in touch with OpenAI. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.